Hi there, welcome to the weekly Stellar session. And before getting into the details, disclaimer, this is not financial advice. This is for education and research purpose only, and obviously welcome for discussion as well. So let's begin. Weekly chart, Stellar. This time around, we did not see any upthrust, or we haven't seen it yet. It may still happen, but the very first distribution cycle happened in 2018, did not have an upthrust as well. That's quite a long while ago if we want to take reference of that. And as of this moment, we already see like the price has been closing below the resistance line of the long-term playground from the top end. So I've drawn this line by looking at the candles from the previous two distribution cycles. So far, last week, the candle last week and the candle this week isn't able to break above this line. And if we just take the near term as reference, these two green candles, the only more confident support line I can draw is this yellow line over here. But since the price is within the long-term playground zone, I wouldn't be surprised if it eventually come down to test the bottom of the zone and bounce within this box for the next, I don't know, many more months, similar to the last accumulation cycle. So last time this cycle lasted for, let's take a look, roughly 1,029 days, almost 3. It's actually, yeah, roughly 3 years once it returned to this zone. So hopefully it wouldn't repeat, like, at least not as long. If we look at the daily chart, the price has left the blue downward flag or the downward channel. So last time I talked about, like, once it broke outside of the box, it can go sideways or it can go up a little and then start another declining trend if the price is going to test the bottom of the white box. So right now, what I'm seeing, just like in the weekly chart, it has been hovering around this top edge of the long-term playground zone. So let's see in the next couple of days whether it will develop a downward trend, or whether it will return to something we had in the past 3-4 weeks, where it bounced between the pink box and the white box. So let me extend this a little. So by the time we have this weekly session again next week, or the end of this week, basically the normal schedule, if my other tasks aren't that heavy. So that's the likely scenario. So if I really have to adjust this downward channel, it wouldn't be that helpful, because the price is anyway outside of the channel as far as I can see it. So it should be seeking a new playground zone. So it's either bounce between these two boxes, or it's going to test the bottom of the white zone. So those are the two more probable scenarios I would guess. Let's see what would happen. So thanks for joining. I'll move on to